Yo, what's up guys? In today's video, what I want to break down specifically is more so the components needed for the backend fulfillment side. If you're a D2C founder, right, how to create this internal system to provide consistent creatives month over month, right? And with this system, this is going to give you the blueprint you need to succeed and ultimately scale your business, right? So whether you have an in-house team or you're looking to build an in-house team, right, this is the formula my team of growth consultants we've built out for the D2C realm, right? We work with numerous founders, we work with numerous brands in the D2C space. We might be having allocating spend of anywhere from 10, 15, 20, 30, even 100K a month at times with certain clients and their criterias. So this allowed us to really build this all-in-one blueprint, right? And I want to share it with you guys today so you can take advantage of it. With that being said, let's dive into this board right here. So in this board, we have the onboarding structure. In this onboarding structure, it's pretty simple, right? When we onboard a client, we look at, okay, what assets do they already have, right? If they already have assets, then we attain access to their creative folder in which we then edit that content. And then we're able, from our internal team, we're able to then launch ads within, let's say, a 7-day window minimum. And in the meantime, while we're going through assets, seeing what type of creatives can we recreate for the access channel, like a TikTok that we plan on advertising on, we're also writing modular creative briefs after our initial onboarding call of gathering information of what content we want to shoot and test. And on top of that, we're also sourcing creators with our creator form, right? So all of this is happening simultaneously, right? And if you don't have the in-house creative backend, well then you're going to struggle to not only maintain consistency at scale for your TikTok ads, but on top of that, right, this is the blueprint you need in 2023 if you're a D2C brand founder. Doesn't matter if you're working with the agency, this agency needs this system, or even if you're working with just in-house, right? You need this creative system to pump out content consistently, right? The game has shifted and it's a content-driven game, right? So with that being said, when we have modular briefs, we pretty much present it to the client. They approve it. They say yes. They send it to creators, so on and so forth. And then from there, we add it. We have our internal house where we host the creator database, and we put that inside a Google Sheet. We send it to the client. They approve their top 3 to 5 creators. Product gets shipped. From there, after that product is shipped, and they send it to creators. Well, that product, that content is now produced. From there, we upload the raw clips, client looks at it, they approve it, then post-production, we launch ads. So all in all, this is the whole entire structure you need to really have this creative blueprint. And I see a lot of brands just rely on, they buy a bunch of SaaS or Martech sort of technology or software, and they don't even use the software, right? I see a lot of marketing expenses just go directly to that SaaS or that this marketing tech sort of features of these products, right? In reality, all you need is pretty simple. You just need an Airtable document flow just to get a bird's eye view of everything as you're tracking. And on top of that, all you need is pretty much Google Sheets, Google Drive, Google Folders. That's about it, right? You can make a lot of materials and a lot of situations and solutions with just optimizing your Google Sheet. So that's very important. You don't need a bunch of this Martech SaaS technology, especially when you're running ads. All you need is literally your whatever access channel you're running ads on. On top of that, you might need some third-party tracking platform, maybe a Triple, maybe a Northbeam. Even then, like the reporting on those platforms isn't going to be 100% accurate. Nothing is ever going to be 100% accurate since the iOS updates, right? So what you can do instead, there's even like Shopify apps that just give you the amount you spent, the new customer acquisition costs to acquire these customers inside your database, and on top of that, your margins on that, the MER, right? And that's really all you need from an advertising perspective. You need that, and then on top of that, just literally Airtable, Google Drive folder, Google Sheets, maybe even files.io, or I believe it's frame.io to edit content. And then that's about it. That's literally all the marketing tech you need. And then, of course, for backend fulfillment, that's a different story. But all in all, that's just our structure and something that you guys can replicate ASAP. So, yeah, if you enjoyed this video, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.